enter in your church's attendance numbers, click on Organizations, and then Attendance. Once on this page, click on Add Attendance button and enter in the date of the Sabbath that you would like to enter your count. Let's say we want to put January 1st. Now under Head Count, go ahead and put in the number of attendants on site or in person. If you have members that are viewing your church online and you would like to add the number of views in your count, go ahead and enter it in Online Count. This is for any Facebook views, YouTube views, or Zoom meetings. Now click on Save. If by any chance you don't see the meeting that you have just entered, go ahead and click on Show Last and click the drop-down and view the last 365 days. You can now see the meeting and the attendance numbers that I just entered. The system will automatically put in the quarter based on the date that was entered. If you would like to add another date, repeat the steps. Notice in the meeting section that it says Weekly Church Service. If I would like to add the Sabbath School attendance, I would just need to click on the drop-down and select Weekly Sabbath School. This will include all attendance in the Sabbath School, including all the children's classes, teenagers, youth, and adult attendance.